Just two ingredients. We're going to make fresh cream, the one you see, or the whipping cream of the most expensive type in the world, like President or Juhaina for those of us in Egypt. This is the fresh cream or cooking cream, and dessert cream or whipping cream 36%. I get half a kilo of milk, 400 grams of cow butter, and I put them on the stove, and as soon as they boil and melt completely, they need to boil for 1 minute. Then I take them off and put them in a bowl. Blend them with a hand blender or any available mixer. The important thing is it should take less than 3 minutes. When you make sure they are well mixed and perfect and their color, people who buy fresh cream know this is their color. I put it in the fridge for 2 hours, then take it out after 2 hours and blend it again in the mixer. Make sure it has become cream. Cover it and put it back in the fridge. After 12 hours, take it out and put it in my pot and blend it. If you want it to have a firm texture, add a spoon of the magic gel we made before. Xanthan gum. If you haven't seen the episode about xanthan gum, just write to us xanthan and the cream is perfect. You can make mousse with it if it's thick, or cook with it, or make cream or fill black forest cake with it if it's runny. And pray for my mother and father.